Whisper this to yourself in the mirror at dawn, like a pact between old allies who've weathered too many close calls in the arena. It's forged for the tactician in your bones, the one who maps out flanks and feints not for the win, but for the poetry of perfect execution, who knows when a tool's edge dulls and starts carving you instead. Breathe, flick your eyes to the deal and stock pulse down there, 'cause echoes of this caliber echo out quick in the wild. The fracture lines appeared during that endless campaign grind, remember? Your hand-me-down build, a Frankenstein of scavenged parts, stuttering through texture loads like a faltering heartbeat, forcing pixelated haze over your sight lines and turning razor-sharp reflexes into fumbling guesses, eroding that fierce intuition until the thrill soured into a hollow echo of what could have been yours. Yet the moment the iBUYPOWER Y40 Pro anchors your station, it's a reckoning of renewal, that searing clarity flooding in, the ghosts of glitches banished as this sleek sentinel awakens, infusing you with a predatory poise that realigns your world. The drag dissolves into drive, every input a declaration of intent met with unwavering fidelity, and you stand taller in the fray, armored in the knowledge that you've transcended the tether of tolerable, stepping into a realm where your will writes the rules. Feel it unfold, you're locked in a virtual reality vortex at dusk, horizons bending and beasts lunging with hallucinatory heft, your swing slicing true through the ether, body thrumming in sync without a single syncopated stutter that yanks you from the dream. Or midday, sculpting streams from raw footage in your den, timeline scrubbing silk smooth, effects cascading like liquid fire that ignites your narrative without begging for breathers. Those pulse-pounding esports qualifiers? Lobbies load in avowed velocity, pings pouncing precise, letting you weave through webs of foes with the grace of a shadow, each elimination a verse in your growing legend. Ditch the digits, it's the soul-stirring surge when the veil lifts, that euphoric entanglement of mind and machine where chaos coalesces into clarity, your strategies blooming vivid and vicious, stoking an inner blaze that doesn't flicker but flares eternal, propelling you from player to parable. Steady, sidestep the snare of vanishing vouchers or surge pricing storms, this is the beacon blinking for you to bridge the gap while the tides tame. What if the aesthetics lean too lethal for your layer's light, or the thermal torrent tests your tolerance? Bend it back, that lethality becomes your lore, a visual vow etched in midnight metal that steals your resolve, and the torrent? It's the forge fire hymn defeats that frail frames flee from. And the veiled virtue? It hums in harmony with ambient tunes during casual coatings, layering beats over builds without a single sonic scar, crafting soundscapes that soothe the savage in you, turning toil into tapestry. Claiming this crown remolds your mantle, you glide with the sovereign spark of a saga spinner, the summoner of spectacles that sear into spectators' souls, each ignition intoning, this is the citadel of your cunning, hewn for horizons that hunger for your hand. Cherish the cascade of clarity that crowns your conquests, the vault of velocity vaulting over valleys of vice, the rapture of renders that resurrect realities raw, the bulwark of bandwidth that binds your brigade unbroken, and the profound pulse of partnership that propels your prowess, from fleeting phrase to fabled frontiers. Naturally, it thrives in realms of ready radiance, and attuning the aura array could court a cascade of calibrations if your canvas craves custom chaos. Though those are whispers to wield your whimsy, not weights that wound. Twilight comes when the torrent of trade-offs tapers, you forsake the frenzy of facsimiles and follow the filament that's flickered in your forge forever, the fiat that's fathomed your fate. This is the fulcrum you'd forged toward, fierce and final. Ignite it, strike the summons, summon it to your sanctum, and let the inaugural inferno infuse your essence. The epic's etched for you, etch your name eternal.